Hi guys, so in this video I'm going to show you how to view the contents in a file. So I'm going to open my file explorer, then navigate to where the directory that I want. So I want to view this file code moved. So I want to see what it does have inside. So I'm going to click here, then type PowerShell on the address bar, then enter. So when I enter, the command prompt is going to pop up. So to view what is inside the file, I'm going to type the word cat space, then the name of the file, which is moved.txt. Then when I say enter, I'm going to see what the contents of that file. So this file contains data with two columns. The first column is temp, the second column is pressure. So we're going to confirm that. Let's go to the file, move over to this, then open the file to confirm, and you can see the data correspond to what we see. Thank you. For more videos like this, like, subscribe, and share. Thank you.